What's up, guys? Riviera Customs here. I want to do a review on this trailer I bought back in the wintertime. It was way too cold and covered in snow to even do a video, so I figured I'd wait. Also gives me the opportunity to test it out and give you an honest review. And I tell you what, there's no complaints. Not at all. This is a 2021 20-foot, 14,000 pound capable trailer. Thick, solid channels. Believe it'd be two 7,000 pound axles and heavy equipment ramps, spring assisted ramps, which I love. There's nothing like lugging heavy ramps up and down. You can literally unclasp them and just let them drop. They drop down slowly. You also got the assisted jacks on both sides so that the trailer doesn't sag when you're loading equipment. As you can see, I've used this thing quite a bit. Probably like 7 cars, and I've loaded and unloaded a 9,000 pound Kubota skidster probably like 5 times. Definitely a beast of a trailer, and I only have a 1500 pickup, and that thing pulls this no problem. All LEDs all the way around, side markers, reflectors, and if you look here, this one big bar, you can take it out and remove these ramps. You can remove these bars. You can remove the assisted jacks there, and I'm sure you're not supposed to stand on the fenders. Obviously not made for it, but there's no bracing there, and I'm sure they don't recommend you standing on them, but this shows the quality of the trailer. I'm 240 pounds and I stood on these. Didn't buckle at all, so definitely love that. Lots of tie downs, positions, nicely spaced for whatever length vehicle. Makes it way easier. And here's a little bit of information for you. It's about the trailer there. So this jack here is also 12,000 pounds by itself. It can hold. Definitely a must if you want to have the skidster on and detach the trailer. It can hold it. You got the pin here you can pull out. Allows you don't have to fully crank this up. You can pull that pin to get that extra, and take off. Nice locking pins, stainless chains, adjustable receiver, and then definitely a lockout. It's on the ball for sure because this won't lock. You won't be able to put this pin in there unless it's fully latched, so I like that. Another thing I like on my other trailers, these plugs would always corrode. They've added this to keep it sealed and dry. That's a nice feature there too. So like I said, I can't complain about this trailer. This has given me no issues whatsoever. I put it to work like crazy. Like I said, use it all the time. As you can see, there was a car, an old 70s car, Mercedes, and it had a hydraulic system, and it was literally laying on the frame, and I drug it up onto this trailer with Bluewater's 8,000 pound Bulldog winch with the remote. I added that box and put the winch in myself, they can put the winch on for you. I'm sure that's an option. So also have a spare tire holder here, also removable. I didn't get the spare tire, I didn't want it, but you can ask for it with it. So like I said, an honest review would be using it and then giving a review, and that's the way I like to do things. I'm not going to buy something and then make a review about something I didn't use yet, so I'm glad I waited anyways. So like I said, if you guys are interested, you can contact Sean Conway at Bluewater Trailers, Strathroy, Ontario. You can call toll free or email him, Sean at bluewatertrailers.ca, and let him know Riviera Customs told you to call. And I'm sure he'll get you an awesome deal. You guys will get yourselves one of these bad boys. And this thing is tough. Like I said, a lot of trailers have a lot of vibration and shaking when they're empty, especially with a 1500 pickup. This thing just sails. I don't even notice it's on there. So until next time, you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Make sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching.